Hello children, welcome to Max online class. Today we are going to start our 30th chapter Smart Charts. Flowers of different colors. Have you been to a park? Yes, I have been to park. What colored flowers did you see? I see different colors of flowers like red, blue, yellow, orange, violet, etc. Were most of the flowers yellow in color? Yes, most of the flowers were yellow in color. Look at the different flowers in the picture. Complete the table. Color of flowers: blue, red, orange, purple. Look at the picture. In purple, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And red, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And orange, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And blue, 8 number of flowers, red 7, orange 5, purple 10. Draw the right flower. Write how many there are. Dash are the most in number and how many? Purple are most in number and number of flowers is 10. Dash are the least in numbers, how many? Orange are the least in number and number is 5. Blue are more than red and blue are more than orange. What do we see on the road? Look at the traffic scene in the picture and fill in the table. Way of travel. Walking. How many people are walking here? 9 people are walking here. By bicycle, there are 5 bicycles. Scooters, 2. Truck, 2. Buses, 2. And answer the following question. In the picture, which way of travel do you see the most? Look at the picture. Which is more here? Walking people is more here. Which is more? Walking people is more. Which way of travel do you see the least? Which is less number here? Scooters and trucks are less in number. And the number of people walking is more than number of bicycle. The number of buses is less than the number of people walking. Any games with dice? Yes, I have. Then this is dice. How many dots there are on the different faces of die? On the different faces of dice, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots. Throw a die. Look at the number of dots you get on the face of your die. For each throw, draw a mark dash. You can draw this mark in front of that number in the table. Throw the die 30 times and mark in the table each time. For example, Rabia throw her die 30 times. She got 5 times. In her table she marked 3, 5. Here face of the die 1 and a number of draws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a face of the die 2 and a number of 1, 2 and 3 times and 3. The number of faces each throw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for the number of times 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6 how many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which faces of the die did you get the most number of times? I got 5 most number of times, that is 7 times. How many times did the 6 come up? 6 come up how many times? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. And 4 came up more number of times than 1. Compare your table with that of the student sitting next to you. Did you find any difference in the two tables? Yes, there is difference in my table and my friend's table. Find out from people around you. Talk to people around you about their favorite sweets. Fill in the table. Favorite sweets. Jalebi. Number of people 10. Laddu. Number of people 15. Chocolate. Number of people 8. Ice cream. Number of people 14. Peda. Number of people 20. Juice. Number of people 18. From the above table, answer the following. Most favorite sweet. Which is the most number here? 20. Then most favorite sweet is peda. Least favorite sweet is chocolate. Dash is liked more than jalebi. Laddu is liked more than jalebi. Ice cream is liked more than chocolate. Juice is liked is more than ice cream. Also find out from animals around you. Ask your friends about the number of people living in their homes. Fill in the table. Number of people living together. Alone 5 people. 2 people are in 10 home. 3 people are in 12 home. 4 people are in 25 home. 5 people are in 18 home. 6 people are in 13 home. 7 people are in 8 home. 8 people are in 6 home. Most families has dash people living in their homes. 4 people. The smallest number of people living in home is alone. The number of families having 4 people is 25. What have your classmate brought for lunch today? Find out and note down. Food items. Aloo paratha. Number of students 5. Maggi 7. Fruits 8. Bread jam 4. Puri 9. Food items brought for lunch by the biggest number of students is puri. There is 9 students. Food items brought by the smallest number of students is bread jam. There is 4 students. Attendance board. Class 1. Number of students 27 and present 25 and absent 2. Class 2 23 students, present 22 and absent 1. Class 3 24 total students, present 21, absent 3. Class 4 total students 22, present 18 and absent 4. Class 5 total 25 students, present 23 and absent 2. And total 27 plus 20, 27 plus 23 plus 24 plus 22 plus 25. Then total is 121. And the present students 25 plus 22 plus 21 plus 18 plus 23. Then 109. Absent 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 2 12. Then total absent students is 12. This board shows the number of students in each class. It also shows the number of students present and absent. How many children in all are there in school? Total number of students is 121. And how many children in all absent on that day? Absent student is 12. Absent students start. Class 1. Absent students 2. And class 2 there is 1 absenteeism. And class 3 there is 3 students. And class 4 there is 4 students. And class 5 there is 2 students. This is a chart to show the number of absent students. Each absent student is shown by this picture. In the chart show the absent students of class 5th. This is absent students of class 5th. There is 2 students. Now look at the chart and fill in the table. The classes with the highest number of absent students is where is more people are absent. There is class 4. There is 4 students are absent. And the class with the least number of absent students is where is the least number of absent students? Class 2. There is 1 student. The class with the 3 students absent is which class 3 students are absent? Class 3 there is 3 students are absent. The number of students absent in class 4 and class 5 are how many students are absent? Class 4 there is 4 students and class 5 there is 2 students. How long is your hand? Make a group of 4 friends. Cut strips from waste paper. The strip should be of the same width. Measure the length of each student's hand with the paper strip. Cut the strip and write the name of student. This is the example of strip. Here Mittu is written here. And you also make this one. Rohan, Jacob and Geeta also measured their hands. They stuck their stripes as shown. Rohan there is 8 cm and Geeta 9 cm. Jacob 10 cm. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. The length of Jacob's hand is dash than Geeta's hand. Jacob's hand is 10 cm and Geeta's hand is 9 cm. Then Jacob's hand is more than Geeta's hand. The length of Geeta's hand is dash than Rohan's hand. Geeta is 9 cm and Rohan's hand is 8 cm. Then length of Geeta's hand is more than Rohan's hand. Dash has the longest hand. Here who has longest hand? Jacob has longest hand. Dash has the shortest hand. Rohan has shortest hand. In the chart below stick the strips of all friends in your group. Keep some spaces between the strips. This is the worksheet for the student. Children coming to school. Look at the picture and fill in the table. Way of coming. Tractor, rickshaw, car, bicycle, scooter. Number of students. Tractor. How many students are coming by tractor? 3 students are coming by tractor. Rickshaw, 4 students. Car, 4 students. Bicycle, 5 students. Scooter, 3 students. 3 students are coming by a tractor. We write 3 in the table. We also draw 3 faces on top of tractor in the chart. Draw faces in the chart to show how many children come by bus, bicycle, etc. Look here. Bus, there is 3 students. Tractor, there is 3 students. Bicycle, there is 5 students. Rickshaw, 4 students. On foot, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. Fill in the tables. The most students come to school by on foot. The number of students walking to school is more than the students coming on the bicycle. The least students come to school by tractor. So isn't this smart chart? By simply looking at it, we can know so much. Let us make more such chart. Practice time. Make your own smart chart about things around you, like which bird has most colors, which is the animals which is liked most as pet, a vegetables you do not like. Which vegetable is most disliked? Ask your friends and complete the table. Vegetable disliked. Brinjal. Number of students 6. Cauliflower 4 students. Ladyfinger 5 students. Beetroot 3 students. Tomato 2 students. Chilli 7 students. Use this table to draw faces in the chart below. Draw this mark for each student top of the vegetable disliked. The most disliked vegetable is chilli. The vegetable disliked by very few children is tomato. Vegetables disliked number of students. Brinjal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. Cauliflower 4 students. Ladyfinger 5 students. Beetroot 3 students. Okay students, in this chapter we learned about smart charts. Then students, you also make charts and practice at home. Now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you.